It's springtime, and today we're out pruning trees. With over 500 acres, that's about 60,000 trees, majority of which are peaches. All of the trees must be hand pruned in preparation for the blossom and for the peaches to come. With 60,000 trees, we hope to produce just over 200,000 boxes this year.
New Jersey is a big peach growing state. It's actually number 4 in the country. When they produce and pack peaches, sometimes they'll get some peaches that are not number 1, and they have to dispose of them.
The majority of the peaches that go into the dumpster each year is a product of the demands of our larger customers. Our larger customers demand the perfect peach, and that's a result of their customers demanding the perfect peach. The Jersey Fruit Cooperative, which is made up of Summit City Farms and 3 other growers in South Jersey, annually dump over 800,000 pounds of peaches.
As an organization, we must find sustainable ways to improve our organization. And this was the birth of Just Peachy, an idea that came by us talking to some peach farmers in South Jersey, and we saw that they were throwing roughly about 1 million pounds of peaches away because these did not meet the retail specifications. So we said, don't throw those peaches away, give them to us.
One day the food bank approached us and asked if we had an interest in participating in a program with donating our peaches that were waste to us but could be beneficial to them. Of course, we jumped right on board.
So we took the peaches, put them in our nutrition programs, but then we had a surplus. And we said, well, what do we do with the surplus? And an idea came to us, let's repurpose it into a shelf-stable product, salsa.
They had an idea for some salsa, and they wondered if we could help them bring that to life.
They loved it, they embraced it, and that was the birth of Just Peachy.
They met with our community team. We took that idea over to our R&D department, led by Pete Imhoff, and he went off and ran with it.
The best part of the project for me personally is not only getting to do it, but working with all the great employees that we have here at Campbell Soup. I'm a long-time employee with Campbell Soup, so I've kind of grown up in the culture of supporting communities that Campbell's works and lives in, and this is a great opportunity, another opportunity for me to participate in something like that.
There's tremendous benefits in the community. The food bank is seeing direct benefits both from a financial standpoint as well as an urgent hunger relief and a long-term hunger relief solution. It's part of their strategic plan. It fits. It's a benefit to the farmers, and not being able to have to dispose of the peaches, save some money.
It's being sold in about 24 retail outlets right now, ShopRite, Wegmans, and a couple of other retail stores, farm stands. And the great thing about this project is because we had so many people that were involved in it, the food bank's overhead cost of that was so low that allows us to have a very significant return on investment. And so 100% of all of those proceeds are coming back to our organization and going back into the programs that are providing food and nourishment to children, seniors, and working families.
I know it's good to receive this kind of food because I am one of the ones who also receive it. It helps me a lot.
The program has turned out to be fantastic. It's wonderful to see these peaches that were once headed for the dumpster to now be headed to a family. It makes us happy and helps the food bank.
If the food bank didn't provide these services, it would be very hard for us to give our kids and the nutrition they really need. There's a lot of people who really need help, and the food bank does help a lot.
And so moving forward, we look at this as a catalyst for companies all across the country is to partner with nonprofits, because this really is the partnership of nonprofits and the for-profit community and the government that's going to solve some of these social issues that we're plagued with, and hunger is one of those.
But I think for Campbell, it really comes down to the employees. It's really what else can we do as a company? How can employees bring their values to the workplace and turn them into really positive results for the company and the community?